Hi students, welcome to Roots Academy. Myself Inayatullah, lecturer of mathematics. Student, in our last video we discussed the problems on matrices and we completed the matrix chapter in our last video. Now student, in this video let us start a next chapter that is called as determinants. Actually it is a continuation of matrices, that is determinants. It's a fourth chapter in our second PUC mathematics and it is very important chapter and very interesting chapter. It has more weightage compared to matrices in our second PUC mathematics exam. So student, first let us see what is a determinant. Student, the basic idea of a determinant or general definition of a determinant is it is just an image of a square matrix. As we know in functions, we have image and pre-image concepts. So like that in matrices and determinants, if you have a square matrix, then the image of the square matrix is a determinant. So it means if we want to study the determinant, then we must need a square matrix. Square matrix. If we don't have square matrix, then we cannot find a determinant. Determinant is possible if we have a square matrix. Either it can be a 2 cross 2 or it can be 3 cross 3. And student, the determinant is represented by delta. Delta like this, or it looks like a triangle shape. In general, we can call it as delta. Now students, what is the real definition of a determinant? Its definition is, as I said, it is an image of a matrix, square matrix, then definitely it is also look like a mapping, because whenever it is a mapping, then only it is an image and pre-image concepts will come. Now here also, determinant is defined as it is a mapping from a square matrix to the real numbers, of the same matrix. So student, here I wrote 2 comma m. So here I wrote delta, that is determinant. It is a mapping from a square matrix to the real number, means the matrix to its element. Here I wrote 2 comma m, that means it is 2 cross 2 matrix. This is the representation of 2 cross 2 matrix. If I write like this, delta 3 comma m, delta is to from R. Delta mapping from 3 comma m to R is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So here 3 comma m means 3 cross 3 matrix, 2 comma m means 2 cross 2 matrix. So students, this is a real definition of determinant. As otherwise, as I said, determinant is nothing but an image of matrix. Now how we will find the image of a matrix? And before we go to image of matrix, so student, here the elements of the determinant we write in 2 straight lines. For example, if I have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Student, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now, if same thing if I want to write in a determinant, or if I am trying to find its image, then I can write like this. Anything, the matrix, if I write between 2 lines, is called as determinant. It is not mod, it is determinant here. That is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 straight lines. So student, with this I can say that the elements of the determinant we write between 2 straight lines, 2 lines. Now this becomes a determinant symbol. If you write brackets, then we can call it as matrix. If you write like this, it is called as determinant. Now how to find its value? How to find the image? Then student, for that we will use rule of cross multiplication process. That is, in short we can call it as RCM. In our basic classes we have studied rule of cross multiplication. In short we can call it as RCM. What exactly that says? That says is, first we should multiply the principal diagonal elements. If it is 2 cross 2 matrix, we will multiply the principal diagonal elements. That is 1 into 4. As soon as the principal diagonal elements multiplication is over, according to RCM, we should write one minus. Then next we should go to the other diagonal multiplication. What is other diagonal elements? 2 and 3. Now if you multiply this, 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. What is the final answer? Its final answer is 4 minus 6. So it is minus 2. So student, the determinant of this matrix is minus 2, or I can also call it as the image of this matrix is minus 2. Now student, okay, if it is 2 cross 2 like this, what happens if it is 3 cross 3? Let us see now. So student, I will take one more example. This is, I will call it as 1. Now I will take second example. If I have a 3 cross 3 matrix like this, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1, minus 1. Student, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now I should find the image of this matrix. For that, first let me write this matrix in determinant. So this can be written in determinant like this. Now this is equals to 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1, minus 1. Between two lines. So this is a determinant. Now student, if it is 3 cross 3, then we can expand this matrix with the help of first row or any row, any column expansion we can go. But in general, we will prefer the first row expansion. But it is not necessary that we should always go with first row expansion always. We can use any row or any column. Because we have 3 rows here and 3 columns. Any one row or any one column we can prefer to find its determinant. And student, as I mentioned, it is determinant. Then this determinant has hidden sign for each and every element. In 3 cross 3 matrix, we have 9 elements. All these 9 elements has their own hidden signs. What are the hidden signs? Hidden signs are plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Student, these are the hidden sign for each and every element. But student, to find the determinant, to find this value, we will prefer only the first row hidden signs. We will prefer only the first row hidden signs. So first row elements are 1, 3, 2. So its hidden sign are plus, minus, plus. Only these signs we will take if we are finding the value of this determinant or image of this matrix. Let us see how can we do this. So now determinant A equals to 1. Its hidden sign is plus and it is also plus. Plus into plus, it is plus 1. Now student, if we are going with first row expansion, then the elements present in first row and first column, or I can read in other way also, this element, that is 1, whichever row and the column it is related, this one is related to whichever the row and whichever the column, that things we should neglect, we should delete. or we should avoid, because whatever the order of a matrix or determinant, if we are finding its image or using RCM, then we need a 2 cross 2 determinant first. We need 2 cross 2 determinant. So what is the 2 cross 2 determinant we have now? What are the left out elements? We have 0, 4, 1, minus 1. This 2 cross 2 determinant multiplied by this 1. Next, plus 3 it is, but it has hidden sign minus here. So it is minus into plus is minus 3. Now this 3 multiply to, now this 3 present in first row and second column. This 3 is present in first row and second column. For that I should delete first row and second column elements. What are the elements is left out now? 4 elements. Minus 1, 4, 2, minus 1. So this is a determinant. 2 cross 2 determinant. Next, I have one more element in first row, that is 2. It is plus and its hidden sign is plus. So it is plus into plus is plus 2. Now for this 2, the expansion is, we should eliminate or we should delete the row and the column which is related to this 2. So this 2 is present in first row and last column. This 2 is present in first row and last column. So we should delete this first row and third column. Now what are the elements left out? Minus 1, 0, 2, 1. So this is again our 2 cross 2 determinant that we should multiply with this 2. That is minus 1, 0, 2, 1. So student, if you have 3 cross 3 determinant or 3 cross 3 matrix like this, and if you want to find the image of this or the value of the determinant, then we will follow this procedure. That is, first row expansion usually will take, that is 1. Then what we will do? For that one, whatever the row and the column this one is present, that we will neglect. The other 4 elements we will write and its determinant will multiply to this element. So let us use RCM here as I used in this case. So this becomes 1 into first principal diagonal element multiplication, 0 into minus 1, 0, minus 1 into 4, it is 4, minus 3, bracket, minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1. Now according to RCM I should write 1, minus 2 4s are 8, plus 2, next is minus 1 into 1, it's minus 1, minus 0. Now what is the final answer? It's 1 into minus 4, minus 3 into minus 7, plus 2 into minus 1. So student, what is the answer now? It's minus 4 plus 21 minus 2. So it is minus 6 plus 21. It is minus 4 plus 21 minus 2 is, it's plus 15. It is plus 15 is the final answer. So student, I hope you people understood how to find the determinant if you have 2 cross 2 matrix and how to find the determinant if you have 3 cross 3 matrix. Go to some more problems. For example, now if A is a matrix, 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Find determinant A. Student, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. It is 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. He is asking us to find determinant here. So its solution will be determinant A equals to, so determinant 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. So student, after this, let us use RCM here. First, the principal diagonal elements. 2 into minus 1, it's minus 2. According to RCM, after the principal diagonal element multiplication, I should write 1 minus. Now I should multiply these two elements. Minus 5 into 4, it is minus 20. And already I have one minus here. So that is minus 20. So finally it becomes minus 2 plus 20. That will be plus 18. Next we'll take one more example. If student, my matrix is cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. If this is the matrix, again with this I should find determinant A. So let me see how can we find this solution. Determinant A equals to determinant cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. So now student, again same process, whatever the elements it is, whether the elements are real numbers or any complex number or any functions also, but procedure remains same. No need to worry that we have, instead of numbers, he has given trigonometric function. All those things worries we should no need to take here. Just simple process we will follow, that is RCM. Same method. This is the principal diagonal elements. Let us multiply. Cos into cos, it is cos squared theta minus, student, as you can see here, there is a negative sign here. Minus sin theta into minus sin theta, it is minus sin square theta. Already I have a minus here, so it becomes plus sin square theta. In our trigonometry, in our basic classes, this is a very standard result that is called as an identity, and according to that, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Next, we'll take one more problem. If A equals to 3 minus 1 2 0 minus 3 1 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now student, here is the 3 cross 3 matrix, and this time again he is asking us to find determinant A. So for this, let me take determinant A equals to 3 minus 1 2 0 minus 3 1 1 minus 2 minus 3. So student, here let me use again first row expansion. Choice is ours. We can follow first column also or second row, but in general we'll prefer always first row because it's very easy to understand. So first row hidden sign, as I said in the previous problem, it is plus minus plus. These are the first row hidden signs. If you are finding the determinant of any square matrix, then we will take only first row hidden signs. Other row and other column hidden signs, it is not necessary to us. So first it is plus 3 bracket. Now what I should take? Directly will take now. Eliminate first row and first column. Whatever the 4 elements I have, let us use the cross multiplication. Minus into minus plus 3 3 is a 9 minus minus 2 into 1, it is minus 2. Already have minus sign here, so it becomes plus 2. There is a minus 1 here, but its hidden sign is minus. Minus into this minus. See, there is a minus 1 here, and that hidden sign is minus. Now 2 minus before this 1. 1 minus is a hidden sign minus. Another minus is already associated to this number. So 1 is having 2 negative signs. So it becomes plus 1. Because minus into minus is plus. Next. This is present in first row, second column. So let us avoid the elements of first row and second column here. So what are the elements left out? 0, 1, 1, minus 3. So if I use the RCM, so this I can avoid. Now this and this, 0 into minus 3, it is 0, minus, no, 1 into 1, it is 1, plus, its hidden sign is plus, and here also it is plus, so it is plus 2, bracket, now student, it is plus 2 now this time. So this 2 present in first row and last column. Let us avoid these elements. Now the remaining elements are 0, minus 3, 1, minus 2. So if I use RCM, 0 into 2, sorry, 0 into minus 2 it is, but still it is 0 only, minus 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Already I have one minus sign, so it becomes plus 3. So next is 3 into 9 plus 2, it's 11, plus 1 into minus 1, plus 2 into 3. So the final answer is, it's 33 minus 1 plus 6. So student here, 33 plus 6, 39, minus 1, it's 38. It's plus 38. If matrix A equals 1, 2, 4, 2, then prove that determinant of 2A equals to 4 times of determinant A. So it is a very simple problem. So first he is asking us to find determinant of 2A. That means first whatever the matrix he has given, that matrix must be multiplied by 2. As I used to do it in scalar matrix multiplication, it is similar to that. Solution: given matrix A equals 1, 2, 4, 2. Now student, I should multiply this matrix by its multiply by 2. So 2 into matrix A. So 2 into matrix A means 2 I should multiply to each and every element of this matrix. So that becomes 1 into 2, it's 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. Now student, after this, its determinant we should find 2 times of determinant A, that is equals to determinant of 2 4 8 4. What is the answer now? So determinant of 2A equals to 2 into 4, it's 8, minus 4 into 8, it's 32. So student here, 8 minus 32. 8 minus 32 is minus 24. With this, student, I will call this as equation 1 because this is my left hand side part. Next, right hand side, it is 4 times of determinant A. So for that, first I need to find what is its determinant. So determinant A equals to determinant 1, 2, 4, 2. So here it is 1 into 2, it's 2, minus 2 into 4, it's 8. So it's minus 6. Now this should be multiplied to 4. Now 4 times of determinant A equals to 4 into minus 6. How much it is? Minus 24. This is our second equation. Now student, if I compare equation 1 and equation 2, both the answers are same. That means determinant of 2A is equals to 4 times of determinant A. From equation 1 and 2, determinant of 2A equals to 4 times of determinant A. Okay. Next problem. If A equals to 101, 012, 004, then prove that determinant of 3A equals to 27 into determinant A. So student, to prove this, again same procedure. Here instead of 2, we should multiply it by 3. So first let me multiply 3 to the given matrix. So 3 times of A equals to, A is here, so 3 times of this matrix means 3 I should multiply to each and every element of this matrix. So 3 ones are 3, 3 0 0, 3 times of 1 is 3, 0, 1 into 3 3, 2 into 3 6, 0 0, 3 into 4 12. Student, this is 3 into A. Then what is determinant of 3A? So now determinant of 3A equals to determinant 303, 036, 0012. Now after this, that is equals to 3 times of, now student, RCM we should use first row expansion. So 3 into 12, it's 36, minus 0 into 6, it's 0, plus or minus whatever it is, minus actually because it's plus here. So 0 into, eliminate this second column now, 0 into 12, 0, minus 0 into 6, 0, plus 3, bracket. Now eliminate last column. Now 0 into 0, it's 0, minus 0 into 3 is 0. So what is the answer? 36, 3 into 36, minus 0 into 0, plus 3 into 0. So student, what is the final answer? These two are 0. So 3 into 36, it is 108. This is my equation 1. My equation 1 is 108. Now next, I should first find its determinant of matrix A. That should be multiplied to 27. So determinant of A equals to 101, 0 1 2 0 0 4. What is its determinant? So that is equals to 1 into 4, it's 4, minus 0 into 2, it's 0, minus 0, 0 into 4, it's 0, minus 1 into 2, it's minus 0, plus 1, 0, 0 into 0 is 0, minus 0 into 1, again it is also 0. So 0 minus 0. Finally it is 1 into 4, minus 0 into 0, plus 1 into 0. That is plus 4 only. Now this 4 should be multiplied to 27 here. So now (27) into determinant A equals to 27 into 4, that is equals to 7 into 4 is 28, then 2 4s are 8, 2 carry it is 108. This is my second equation. Now student here, again if I start comparing equation 192, these two equations, both the answers are same. That means, therefore, from equation 192, determinant of 3a equals to 27 times of determinant here. In the values of x. So here, if determinant 2 4 5 1, that should be equals to 2x 4 6 x. Now student, if this is the problem, okay, let it be 6. If this is the problem, we should find x here. Find the value of x. So student, what we should do? She said that two determinants are equal. As we can say, it is equal matrix or equal determinant. We should, with this condition, we should find the value of determinant, value of x. So let me expand this determinant here. 2 into 1, 2, minus 4 into 5, 20. That should be equals to 2x square minus, how much is 24. Now it's minus 18 is equals to 2x square minus 24. Let me shift this minus 24 to this side. It becomes plus 24 minus 18. That should be equals to 2x square. 24 minus 18, it's 6. Sorry. Yes, it's 6. That should be equals to 2x square. So that should be equals to, that is x square equals to 6 by 2. X square equals to 3. 2 1 times 2, 3 times. So the value of x square is 3. But we should find the value of x. So this becomes plus or minus root 3. Next value, next problem. if determinant 2, 3, 4, 5, that should be equals to x3, 2x, 5. Find the value of x. Again, he is also asking us to find the value of this x. Again, two determinants are equal, is it? Let us go for LCM. So here, 2 into 5. Okay, I will write the answer here. That is 2, 3, 4, 5. This determinant is equals to x 3, 2x 5. So this should be equals to 2 into 5, it is 10, minus 4 into 3, it's 12. That should be equals to 5 into x minus 6 into x. 2 into 3 is 6x. So student, it's minus 2 is equals to minus x. So minus minus gets cancelled, which implies the value of x is 2. The next problem is if determinant x to 18x is equals to determinant 6 to 18, 6. Find the value of x. Okay, with this condition, again he is asking us to find the value of x. So solution is determinant x to 18x is equals to 6 to 18, 6. So student, let us use RCM here. X into x, it's x square minus 18 into 2, it's 36. That should be equals to 6 into 6, it's 36 minus 36. Now student, here 36 minus 36, it's 0 towards our RHS, because 36 minus 36 is 0, x square minus 36 as it is. Let me shift this minus 36 to other side. So this becomes x square equals to 36. Finally it is x is equals to root 36. That should be equals to 6. Should be equals to 6. Obviously here plus or minus is there. Student, these are the basic problems of determinant. I hope you people understood the today's concepts and today's basic problems, that is finding the value of determinant if it is 2 cross 2 matrix and finding the value of determinant if it is 3 cross 3 matrix. The next is how to find the value of x if two determinants are given like this. So student, with this I will end this video. So student, if you have any doubt in today's topic, in today's problem, you can put your doubt in comment box, and to helpful to the other student, to help the other students, keep sharing our videos. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.